It's Tip Tuesday with Dr. Ed Bush and
Dr. Kiki Fontenot. And we're here to tell you guys about building raised beds in your backyard. We're starting off right here with a 12-inch by 2-inch board that we're going to use for this vegetable garden. Now, we're using a 12-inch board, but you can use 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch if you like. The reason why we're going with 12 is because we want a nice area for our root balls to develop, especially when we're growing bigger plants like certain tomatoes and eggplants.
so what we want to do is buy 3 8-foot boards, and then we're going to have one of them cut in half so that we have 2 4-foot boards and 2 8-foot boards that are 2 by 12s to build our raised beds.
All right, guys, for this project, we've chosen 3-inch screws. We've got a 2-inch board that we needed to get through plus 1 inch into this board. We also have a nice level right here, and we can see that our bubble's almost in the center, and that's good enough for us for these backyard projects. So top, middle, and bottom is where you're screwing your screws on all 4 sides. And you're finished.